babalik. Now, if these things happen, now you tell the family members, okay, to endorse, okay, to remind na ang pasyente ninyo, pag mag-isa lang maiwan, to call the nurses to take care of them. And then we have to ensure that the call bell should be within the patient's reach. So, ibig sabihin ito, pag may kailangan ng pasyente, your client shall be educated not to get out alone. So, she has to call for help and call for nurse care for assistance so that the patient will not develop injury. And as much as possible, we need to keep the light open. So, we don't want dim light, okay? Kasi lalong ma-accidente yung patient ninyo and the environment should be hazard-free. So, take away all the things that can obstruct, okay, while the patient gets out of bed. Then, anxiety related to the change in the health status. Okay, again, so just talk with the patient, allow the patient to verbalize the feelings, the fears, and anxiety, and then usually we cannot do counseling, so especially with this type of condition, sensitive issue. So therefore, again, we need for this to our psychologists, so let them to talk to the patient so that it can enhance coping strategy. Now, self-care deficit related to decrease in the muscle strength. Okay, so what we can do in here, we may assist the patient in the performance of activities of daily living when it is required. Okay, and of a hormonal patient can have a risk for impaired skin integrity related to the hormonal level. So we may advise the patient to take a bath, and then after that, we need to provide skin care. So we don't want oily lotion to be applied on the skin. So we wanted just an emollient lotion to keep the skin, to prevent the skin from. Okay, then of our topic on endocrine. Okay, introduction to the endocrine system. So meron tayong question, guys. May question, ang exam ninyo, you need to concentrate CU1 and CU4. Ang CU5 hindi kasama sa exam. So that will be next meeting. I-integrate natin yan because we will be discussing SIDH, and then we have DI, so we have your Addison's, we have your Cushing, and then meron tayong hyperthyroidism, hypo and hyperparathyroidism, and then we have the adrenal gland disorder. And all the nerves will be discussed, okay, per this by next meeting. Okay, guys? Okay na tayo? Please study your lesson, guys. Okay, bigyan nyo ako ng mataas na score. Okay? So, kung wala ng question, shall we go? Yes, Miss Lotan?
Ma'am, pwede na po kami magpa-attendance po for section 54 po.
Okay, so ibigay mo sa akin kung sino kayong nandyan. Sino kayo, Miss Lotan?
Wait lang po, ma'am.
Okay, sabihin mo sa akin.
Si Ambalada po nandito po, tsaka si Batingan po, tsaka si Kabilyan po, tsaka
Okay,
si...
Ambalada, Batingan, sino pa? Si...
Kabilyan po. Kabilyan po.
Sino pa?
Tsaka Kabilyan po, tsaka si Kamingge po. Kamingge po, ma'am.
Sino pa?
Tsaka si Kanosa din po.
Sino pa?
Si Kayagkag din po, ma'am, tsaka si Eva po.
Okay. So iba, mamaya na lang, ha? Okay.
Ma'am, marami
na
po.
tayo, tsaka
Halos
ikaw,
nandito na po lahat, ma'am.
Sino
Marami
pa?
po.
Sino pa?
Wait lang po.
Si Eva yung last.
Yung Eva po, tsaka, sino to yung? Madelosa po, tsaka si Magalano po, tsaka Mentisabal.
Matiloso,
Sino?
Magallan. Sino pa?
Mentisabal po, tsaka si Nokot po.
Okay, si Montes, wala.
Tsaka si Pascua po, tsaka
Ma'am, andito ako, ma'am. Montes.
Tsaka Rombawa.
Sino pa? Rumbawa sa casino?
Nocon,
Okay
Samson po, Villanueva, tsaka si Bugnag po, ma'am. Tsaka si Ihara po.
Wait. Si Villanueva nandyan?
Meron po.
Samson?
Meron
Sino
din
pa?
po, ma'am. Si Bugnag po, tsaka si Ihara po. Villanueva po, ma'am, nandito po.